Hello kids. I is for. Let's learn I words. Look carefully and guess the word. It is a country. What is this? India. Can you say it? India. I is for India. It is a small area. What is this? Island. Can you say it? Island. I is for island. It is a tiny thing. What is this? Insect. Can you say it? Insect. I is for insect. It is a sweet frozen dessert. What is this? Ice cream. Can you say it? Ice cream. I is for ice cream. It is used for pressing clothes. What is this? Iron. Iron. I is for iron. It is frozen water. What is this? Ice. Can you say it? Ice. I is for ice. It is a cold place. What is this? Igloo. Can you say it? Igloo. I is for igloo. What is this? Index finger. Can you say it? Index finger. I is for index finger. It is a small cut. What is this? Injury. Can you say it? Injury. I is for injury. These are used to make food. What are these? Ingredients. Can you say it? Ingredients. I is for ingredients. It is a strong metal. What is this? Iron rod. Can you say it? Iron rod. I is for iron rod. It is something you wear. What is this? Innerwear. Can you say it? Innerwear. I is for innerwear. It is a very young baby. What is this? Infant. Can you say it? Infant. I is for infant. It is used in school. What is this? Ink. Can you say it? Ink. I is for ink. It is a green reptile. What is this? Iguana. Can you say it? Iguana. I is for iguana. It is used by doctors to give medicine. What is this? Injection. Can you say it? Injection. I is for injection. It is used to measure length. What is this? Inch tape. Can you say it? Inch tape. I is for inch tape. It is used to hold ink. What is this? Inkpot. Can you say it? Inkpot. I is for inkpot. It is a big piece of ice in the sea. What is this? Iceberg. Can you say it? Iceberg. I is for iceberg. It is something you think of. What is this? Idea. Can you say it? Idea. I is for idea. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter J.